Now, I know there's a dark saber font, but I'm trying to find it. I found it earlier, but I cannot seem to find it. I'm not sure whose that was. I'm not sure. Oh, that was cold. That was cold. That was cold.
He was a cunning warrior.
You were the chosen one!
And he was a good friend.
You were my brother, Anakin! I loved you!
Obi-Wan. Let's go. Oops.
This is the way.
Oh, this is it. Dark saber sound font. This is cold. This is the way. It's so bright. As you can see, look how bright it is. That's amazing. That was cold.
Nothing's impossible.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
Kylo. Cold.
Imperial Workshop.
Shout out Imperial Workshop. I think this is the beginning of the cycle of the sound fonts.
Whispers of power.
That's clean. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's a sword font.
The teacher.
It's so cool. Let's see if I can find the sword font.
The second.
Here, I'm gonna find the sword font. Okay, I found it. I think there's actually two, but this is one of them. That's so cool. That's cool. Oh my god, it's so cool. This is another one, another sword one. This is the other one. I'm running out of time. That's probably the last video.